Hello everyone, welcome to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. Today we are at day 101 of 111 days verification challenge. We are just 10 days away from completing this challenge. Congratulations to all of you who is taking this challenge daily. I'm sure by now all of you are confident in all these verification skills. We have covered enough, even add-on skills at the pressure level. If you solve all these challenge questions with complete dedication, I'm sure you will be ready for giving interviews in the front end VLSI domain. So please follow all these questions thoroughly and solve it. Today we are going to cover the skill set UVM, and our topic for today will be frequently asked questions in UVM. Let us see today's question. The first question is, what is TLM FIFO? In UVM we have UVM do and UVM rand send. You need to tell the difference between these two, and I motivate you to write the syntax for this, write the code for this, and if possible even try to execute the code using free practice platform like EDA Playground. Because when you solve it, when you run the code and you see the output, that's when all these concepts are very clear in your mind and you feel very confident about these concepts. The next question is, you need to tell the difference between UVM virtual sequencer and UVM sequencer. Then what are the benefits of using UVM? We also have system Verilog, but the entire industry has moved to UVM for verification. UVM is universal verification methodology. Now understand, UVM is just a methodology. It uses the language system Verilog for system Verilog it uses, but the methodology is UVM, universal verification methodology. So definitely this methodology is providing some add-on benefits over system Verilog, so that we are using this as the methodology on top of system Verilog language. You need to tell what are these benefits. We have a super keyword. You need to tell what is this keyword, and sometimes you will see in the code, we call super.build method, we call super.connect. You need to tell what is the need of calling these methods. If I want to declare multiple imports in my code, how can I do it? And solve this with the help of coding example. Run the code in free practice platform like EDA Playground. That's how you will solve this. Then you need to tell the advantage of UVM pre-body and UVM post-body. If I want to have user defined phase in UVM, can I do it? If yes, you need to tell how to do it. Write the code for that, execute it in a platform like I said, you can use free practice platform EDA Playground. Execute the code, see the output, and tell how you can have a user defined phase in UVM. Solve these questions today, and again tomorrow I'll see you for day 102 challenge. Best luck.